What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another Goody Reader unboxing video. Today we have the ViWoods, but not any ViWoods. This is the AI paper reader, they are calling it. A lot of people are referring to this as the mini to differentiate it between the bigger unit and the smaller one. This kind of shows that manufacturers of pretty much all kinds are getting into smaller form factor devices. Companies that have their large screen e-notes of their lineup still like to have a smaller unit on hand at any given time because it doesn't alienate your clientele. Clientele that want more of a compact, streamlined, sleek unit you can put in your back pocket will be alienated if you only have a 10.3, a 10.2, a 10.65, what have you. So this gives them the ability to crack into a different clientele that they originally had no access to. But before we get into full review, which is going to be in another video, we have to crack this open and see what's inside. ViWoods has always had very nice looking boxes. This one is no exception. It has a really nice cardstock on the outside, and all the logos are embedded in the actual box itself with a little bit of a shine. There's almost like a mirror finish on the characters themselves. And then of course the AI paper reader at the bottom. Also the shape and form factor of the unit itself. And on the back you get all of the regulatory information, you get the serial number and all of the manual languages that it's going to come in. And of course you'll always know if your unit is brand new or not because you have the little rip strip on the side. Yes, of course, because of the form factor, it is going to look a little bit like a phone. Oh, that's the back panel. We'll look at that in a little bit. We also have a little bit of a foam insert, and the unit itself. Oh, nice weight. Put that off to the side. Though, there we go. We're getting into some stuff. We got the SIM removal tool, aka the SD card removal tool. It's called a SIM tray removal tool, though. And the USB. There we go. There we go. Finally getting into it. A lot of manufacturers don't like doing this for some reason. C2C. It's much more sleek. It's much more usable, I believe. C2C is the way to go. ViWoods is definitely following suit with that. And we have the user manual as well. It says the screen is fragile, avoid excessive impact, contains a battery, do not expose to liquids, operating temperature. And look, you have an AI key as well. So you have a power button, SIM tray, oh it is SIM, and then the microphone, USB-C, charging indicator light. You know, this marks so many manufacturers going the SIM route on their units. Wow, look at this. Can I slide this out or is it glued to some degree? I think I might be able to slide it out. Oh man, would you look at that? Holy moly. Wow, look at this. Oh man, okay. Look at this form factor, guys. Wow. I don't know what they're calling the color because it doesn't say on the box, but this looks like a nice sage green. A nice forest green on the outside. The back has this beautiful, almost screen protector-esque feel to it. It goes right to the edge. That is a pinstripe between the back pad. This is tooled gorgeously. What an amazing... this is really nice. You have the antenna strip at the top. You have that AI button. You have the volume up and down. You have a power button. And you have USB-C with a microphone at the bottom. Status indicator light. Let's crack open this SIM card tray and see what we got going on in here. So we're going to open that. We do have a SIM card. That is not an SD. That is not expandable storage. That is definitely a SIM card. This is very interesting because this is something we did not expect from the brand. The brand was an e-note centric manufacturer, and suddenly they're making something to rival the now hiatus defunct Hisense brand. This is looking tremendously promising. I mean, it's only been a minute, but I gotta say, I'm very much enjoying this new breed of units coming out from manufacturers such as this. This is so exactly what people want. That's not sarcasm. This is precisely what a great deal of customers ask for in their units. Sleek, phone form factor. That's why so many devices before this have been so incredibly successful. And this has to be one of the nicest tooled units I think I've seen in a long time. This is the ViWoods AI Paper Reader is what it is called. This one, we're going to be getting into a full review. We're going to be getting into some comparisons. This is extremely exciting stuff. But for now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new ViWoods. This is the latest generation of offerings from the company. It's also the latest possible version of Android you can get on ePaper devices because, as you know, ePaper is not upgradable when it comes to Android. Everyone, stay tuned for the full review.